Novium Edge and Shuttleport. Edge is a multi-tool that combines the functionality of a letter opener, box cutter, and ruler. Sleek anodized aluminum allows Edge to easily shear through paper, leaving crisp, clean lines. Novium Edge is designed to achieve perfect balance and is contoured for safe handling, while being engineered to effortlessly slice through packaging. Edge's 10cm or 4-inch ruler keeps precision and details close at hand. A bold and uniquely designed paperclip system, Shuttleport, embodies the excitement of putting plans into action. Embark on a new journey, fueled by the potential of the unknown.